In this video, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 with 2 players. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to play GTA Online with just one friend, the easiest way is to create a private session. This lets the two of you explore Los Santos without random players joining your game, making it perfect for free roaming, driving around, completing missions together, testing vehicles, or simply hanging out without interruptions. Now, before creating a private session, make sure you've already added your friend on Rockstar Social Club. If you haven't done that yet, I already have a complete tutorial showing how to add friends on Rockstar, so be sure to check out that video first. Alright, once you've both added each other, you can move on creating a private session. What you're gonna do is open up the pause menu and then you want to go to online and select find new session. Now here you'll have few options, but what we want is the invite only session, which will let you to play GTA Online without random players joining. And the only way people can join this session is by inviting them. Once you spawn into the new session, you'll notice there are no players besides you. You can press Z on your keyboard to see. So as you can see, I'm alone here. And what we can do now is go back to the pause menu, go to the friends tab, and here you're gonna see all of your friends list. So select the friends that you want to invite and simply select send game invite. Let's go ahead and do that. After they accepted your invite, they'll join the server and you two can play together without any random players. So that's it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.